Hello, I'm here taking out the trash in the blizzard of 2016 because Grandma hates us and wants to kill us. So she made me take out the trash and take Layla out, even though I can barely stand the stupid snow. There is the crazy person that wanted to come outside. Layla.
There's a hill right there.
Her name is Layla Allen. She's crazy. Somebody come get her. Yeah, so she wants to go on this giant hill that you can't get down from, so we're going down this way. She's crazy, I tell you. Okay, here's an update. Layla is attempting to sled down this hill, but as you can see, the snow is extremely deep. And yeah, I am in a panda suit, so I'm kind of just sitting here. And yeah, the snow is way too soft to be sledding, but I don't think Layla knows that yet. But we'll let her figure it out. Yep, living life. Okay, we're about to go home, and I'm going to do one last thing, which is falling back into the snow. Are you ready for this? Great. Oh my goodness. Okay, Layla's gonna fall back into the snow.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Okay, now we're heading back home. If you're watching this, do not go out into the snow. We're struggling to get back. Hold on. See? I'm barely moving because this is exercise. But okay, come on.
Help me.
You hear that, folks? No, I'm just kidding. Come on. Can't help you. Okay.
Go!
We made it back home. We're alive. See? Yes, yes, yes. No snow steps. I can walk up them like a normal person. Wow, look at that pace. So I just cleaned off my lenses, and me and Layla just got back from that horrible field trip out into the snow.
Hot cocoa.
She's having coffee, and yeah. Never doing that again.
I am.
She's crazy, I told you.
I'm not crazy.
What did I tell you?
She's
Crazy.
Kind of
But
fun.
yeah. So yeah, that's what happened. And that concludes the blizzard of 2016, me and Layla's adventure. So yeah. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.